Now in this tutorial we're going to look at the shopping cart within EasierApp and all that's entailed with that. Now the shopping cart that is embedded into EasierApp uses PayPal. So the shopping cart's in general settings, shopping cart, and of course it says up here when set up visitors will be able to purchase items and products and services and menu via PayPal. We're going to go to products and services. Before you can use the shopping cart, obviously you have to have something to sell. So let's go to content, products and services, and we're just going to say we have a, I don't know, necklace and bracelets or something. So we're not going to spend a ton of time on this. So uh, bracelet, uh, my bracelet price is $10. Let's upload an image of bracelet. Let's click add. And now we have a bracelet. And let's add another product. Let's say necklace. My necklace. That's $12. And let's click add. And now we have two things in our products to sell. So now we can actually set up the shopping cart. So let's go back to general settings, shopping cart. We have it enabled, yes or no, display type cart or no cart, single products only. Well, we have two products, so we're going to do the cart. We have live and test mode. Now you can set your cart up and all that kind of good stuff, enable it, and if you want to test it out before you use your own PayPal API, you can use this username and password for the checkout to make sure everything works correctly. However, to make it live, we would need to go to live mode, and now it's going to ask, let me just get rid of those. Now it's going to ask for like PayPal API username, password, signature. So now it's like, well, where do you get that? Well, you're going to need to go to PayPal, and I've already got this up. If I can find it real quick, here we go. I've already logged into my PayPal account. So you would need to go to Tools. Then you need to go to API Access. And before I go any further, you will need a business account or a Premier PayPal account in order to access their PayPal APIs. With just a regular personal account, they don't allow you access. Go to API Access. And if you do not have an API, then we need to request API credentials, and we click request API credentials. Now we have two options. We have request API signature or request API certificate. For our shopping cart, it's the signature. So it's already clicked. We click agree and submit. And this is our API signature information. So we have that. So we would just copy and paste our it's over here. Our information in here. I'm not going to go and copy and paste all of it, but that's what we do there. Sales tax, if you wanted to charge sales tax, ask for shipping address, yes or no. Uh, that's if that's what you need, then that's what you would do. The order complete message would be this right here, and then the send to notification would be whatever email address you want it to send to. Now here's the issue is with this at least is this API password and API signature not correct. So when I actually go to checkout, it would give us an error. So let me click back to test mode. I'm going to click save. So now let's go see what it looks like real quick. We'll go to preview. Let's reload the preview so we have our newest code. Products and services, of course, we can rename that if we want to. Go to bracelet. And now we have our add to cart, and there's a picture. We'll say add to cart. and it's add to cart. This preview won't allow us to check out, but of course, if we click checkout, then we would go to PayPal's mobile optimized site, and they could finish their checkout process. But I want to show you something kind of interesting here. Is we have no shopping cart button or anything. So let's say instead of having menu, since we have menu up top and then we have menu down here, let's just change that menu button to the cart button. So what we would do is we go to General Settings, Header, let that load up. Go to Title Bar, since that is our title bar. That's the left button. That's the right button. So let's go to Right button. And right now it's menu set to menu. Let's set it to shopping cart, and we can just rename that to cart. We'll click Save. Let's go back to preview. Let's reload our preview so we get the newest code. And now you see we have cart. And we can click on it, and it takes us to our cart. What's interesting is we can go to Products and Services, and let's say we want to add the necklace. We'll add that to cart. And then we go about doing our business. We can always go back to cart now and go through the checkout process. So let's go back to Content, General Settings, and Shopping Cart. And obviously when you want to go live, click live mode, and then you go in and you put in your API username and password and signature, and then you'll be live. And that is how you set up the shopping cart with EasierApp.